Yeah.
Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck. Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck.
Yeah. Check. Just gonna go in.
Bang, bang.
Yeah, with no exception to the rule. It's conceptual how I make my move. Dropping bombs all day with dyslexia in the groove. Kenny Brown, that's the proof. Got the skills to use the tools. Make average niggas look like fools. Nigga, I'm just staying on my ones and twos. About to drop the whole game. They ain't even got a clue. Word flow harder than Dr. Seuss. Nigga, about the cues, I got the juice. Haters should be put on mute. That nigga work out. Good days, bitches saying cute. Flying sportswear, even better in the suit. Dripping never droop. Won't hit the target unless you shoot. Keep it packed just like Snoop, a burner. See what you gotta learn, cuz is that I put in the work just to earn my buzz. Never let the shit be swept under the rug. All I ever knew is get it from the mud. I come from the bottom, make sure that's understood. Gotta build your own campfire, that's why I be burning the wood. Just trying to stack it till it's all good. Get rich and it's still all hood. Stay on the place, make my move, they wish they could. Nigga, one tick.
Bang, bang.
And it's just like that. Now, man. It's coming. Let's go.